But what about quality of water and structuring water? Because that's a very interesting topic I've been really looking at a lot. It's not about purification just of water. It's about structuring. So can you go into why that matters to us? Because I understand Somavedic also impacts the structure of water.
Yes, yes. So I will go to that, of course, in a way that basically everybody can understand. So from the research, it's been shown that the structure of the water is much more important than the chemical composition. And in our cells, in our bodies, in cells, there is basically only structured water. And to get the best hydration for our bodies, or to have the best bioavailability of water, it's in ideal case we should drink structured water, which can be, of course, found in nature in flowing rivers, for example. But the water that we are buying, like the bottled water or tap water, like it's just chaotic. I mean, if you would freeze the crystals of the water, you would see that it would look like a, if it's structured water, it would look like a snowflake. It would be very nice shape. If it's non-structured water, it would basically be very like chaotic. The most basically, the one who brought it to mainstream, the one scientist, was Masaru Emoto, a
Yes.
Japanese scientist that showed various experiments with how you speak to the water, how you think about it. And even now, children are doing experiments with apples or with rice, that you put positive like emotions or ideas, and one are negatives. And you could see that the oxidative process of the apple or rice or whatever there is, it will be like much faster. So in a nutshell, it's the most natural state of water that we basically should drink. And it's, if you don't have a device that is structuring water, you can only find it in flowing rivers, in case there are, of course, there's drinkable water.
It's an interesting subject because everyone believes water is water. If you drink it, it doesn't have chemicals. It quenches your thirst. But as I've spoken to more and more experts, it's not the same. You're right. The bioavailability changes, the usage of the water, the efficiency of it. And of course, we're 60 to 70% made of water.
Yes.
We're mostly water. So it's incredibly important. And only in the last 100 years or so have we abandoned natural sources of water for more of this tap water, fluorinated water, all of these different processes that are chemically induced. And I do believe that's part of the problem of why more and more of us are getting sick. So it's incredibly important to understand that structural water. And as you mentioned, Dr. Emoto's work, The Hidden Messages in Water, beautiful books to read about that as well.